Namaste. To connect two clauses, we use conjunctions. As well as is a conjunction which is quite often wrongly used. In this video, we are going to learn how to use as well as correctly. As well as means in addition. To use as well as correctly, we have to remember certain rules. Firstly, we cannot normally use as well as and interchangeably. When we use and to join two or more subjects to create a compound subject, the verbs used with them should be plural. For example, Mohan and Raju are students. Mohan and Raju are students. But we can't create a compound subject with as well as. So the verb used should agree with the first subject. We say, Mohan as well as Raju is a student. Mohan and Raju are students. Mohan as well as Raju is a student. Now let's have a look at this sentence. The driver as well as a few passengers was injured in the accident. Remember, when you connect two nouns using as well as, you will let the verb agree with the first noun if you are a careful user. I said if you are a careful user because in informal styles a plural verb is fairly common. If you want to emphasize the word passengers, the sentence would be, the passengers as well as the driver were injured in the accident. The emphasis is on the passengers. That means you are speaking mainly about the passengers. You want to say the passengers were injured too. The passengers, as well as the driver, were injured in the accident. Now another point to remember about the use of as well as. Look at this sentence. It is not correct. It is a wrong sentence. Could you find out what's wrong with this sentence? The coronavirus pandemic ruined my studies as well as cost my sister her job. Well, the point we should remember here is that when we use a verb after as well as, it should be in the ing form. Can you correct it now? The correct sentence is, the coronavirus pandemic ruined my studies as well as costing my sister her job. As well as costing my sister her job. Another sentence. As well as giving English lessons, she teaches social science. As well as giving English lessons, she teaches social science. Now look at another sentence. It's a wrong sentence too. Raju speaks both Hindi as well as English. It's a wrong sentence. Don't read wrong sentences too many times. I have told you it's a wrong sentence. Can you correct it? Well, the point is, after both, you can't use as well as. You can use and instead. So the correct sentence is, Raju speaks both Hindi and English. Both Hindi and English. To sum up, the points to remember are, as well as and are not interchangeable. 2. As well as cannot be used to make compound subjects. The third point, the verb used should agree with the first subject. 4. When we use a verb after as well as, it should be in the ing form. The fifth and the last point, we use and after both, not as well as. Alright, if you would like to watch more language related informative videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.